Here's how to make your rental the top choice for insurance companies. So as insurance companies are out there and they're looking for what home they're going to pick for this family that's just been displaced due to a flood or water or fire, they're going to look and they're going to see tons of options in their database, probably. If you're in a crowded area, a nice, good suburb. And if they see one that they've worked with before, that's already a ding plus. If they see one who is a preferred provider, if they offer that, that is a big plus. And then if you know what you're talking about when they call or email, that is a huge plus. So they're going to ask you all these questions off the bat. Can you provide your W-9? Is a 30-day notice to vacate okay? Are you okay accepting checks from a company, a third party? All these things that we talk about in vetted homes. So if you don't know what vetted homes is, you can book a call with me to see if you're a good fit for it. But all these things that we talk about so that you are so equipped. And they go, boom, let's get this house submitted. What's the price? What's the pet fee? What's the cleaning fee? What's the one time? What are the monthlies? And you know all these answers are just quick and easy. What does that do for the insurance agent or the representative is it makes them feel like, whew, they are making my job so easy. I'm not having to sit here and explain why and follow up and send them material and tell them to go to our website. And they're just like rock and roll. What does everybody want in life? They want somebody who's going to make their job easier. So if you can do that, then that's great. And another way you can do that would be like, obviously we talk about you have to have window coverings, but having things like internet and utilities set up, huge, awesome, easy for them. If they ever ask something like, can you offer blank? What should our answer always be? Yes, of course we can. Sometimes they'll ask, oh, could you offer a weekly cleaning service? Absolutely. That would just be $200 extra per week. So whatever that comes out to on the monthly thing. This family needs 2 twin beds in that room instead of a queen. Could you swap out the beds? Absolutely. I'll swap out the beds for a 6-month booking at the price you're offering. Everything's a yes. This is a service business at the end of the day. And the biggest thing for us is flexibility. So while we already had you furnish the house the way that it really does best, we don't often get requests to swap out furnishings because we really thought that through over the last several years on what works the best and what can accommodate the most average family. Every now and then, or we'll get somebody who says, we really don't need all these beds. Could you remove a bed? Because we're going to use that room as our workout room. We're going to bring our own things here. We're going to bring this, that. My son has a oxygen chamber, whatever it is. And it's like always, absolutely, we'll do that for you. Perfect, easy. We'll get it done before you move in. Or if they're already in, yes, we'll get it done. So being able to accommodate requests, saying yes, knowing what the heck you're talking about, and being in these systems already, being preferred vendors, having used these companies before. And sometimes they don't know, so remind them. If they're like, hi, I'm so-and-so calling from this company. You can say, oh, awesome. I've worked with that company before. It was a great experience. They'll go, oh, great. Good to know. So it immediately gives peace of mind that you're not a newbie. I don't need to walk you through this like you're a kindergartner. So when you know, you know. That is how we become top of mind to these insurance companies. And that is how we get them to come back to us again and again and again. That's how we get emails for cities that we don't even have houses in. So keep up the relationships is also critical. Even if your house gets booked and it's booked for 4 months, don't be shy to just shoot an email and say, hey, just wanted to check in, let you know the family's doing awesome. Loving this relationship with you. It's been so great working with you. If you need anything else from me, let me know. And then as you're coming to the end of that contract, of course, looks like the family's going to be moving out in 2 weeks finally, and it's been such a great experience. If you have any other families that need my house, it'll be available. I would love to work with you again. Just like in life, make someone's job easier, keep up the relationships, communicate well, say yes, do things, go above and beyond, be of good service. You'll win every time. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and check out the other ones.